Well, hello everybody. I spent a good part of the day, don't get those off, getting my my vapor blast cabinet functioning. As you can see, there's the pump pumping glass bead, and so I'm going to show you this part here. She's pretty rough, and I'm going to put it in there and let you guys see how this thing works. It's going to be kind of, you're going to see splashes of water on the screen, but there's nothing I can do to help that. So let me throw the pot in there. And, okay. Does a pretty good job pretty quick, and it does not etch using glass beads, so you'll have no pitting of the metal. This is a homemade unit. I have this is a sandblast cabinet that I put a little air up. So the pump down below is pumping the water, and then of course the air is giving it velocity. You can see it going right to bright. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's, splashing on the screen. But it's very satisfying to watch how fast it cleans up a part. I know it's kind of hard to see. I get the cell phone just sitting on the window. Curiosity purposes, we'll try this. You can see it's kind of blackened. Normally I would hit this with the Scotch-Brite ball first, and then of course it's getting all that big heavy stuff off of there. But I wanted just to see what it would do without that. I'm going to turn the air down just a hair. I have to keep wiping the glass so you guys can see. I know it's noisy because I got the compressor running in the background. I used to have my compressor upstairs, but that one burnt out, and this one is a big one. I have to get some help to get it upstairs. You can see the difference from one side here. Okay. My hands out of here. Shut the water off. Get my hands out of the gloves. And bear with me a second. Alright, let me get over here. I gotta wait, spray these off because it's got meteor all over them. Find my hose. Okay. Let me get out of the bright sunlight here. So there you go. Maybe the sun will help a little bit. Look at how good those came out. So, let me come back in the garage. So yeah, there you go. I just wanted to do a little quickie. I thought I had burnt that pump out, but turns out there was an internal fuse that had blown. I had some big flooding last winter and used the pump, and I fell asleep and it ran dry. So I replaced the fuse, and it's working good because it's $180 for one of those pumps. And I just had to put everything back together again. So very cool. So I'll be able to use that. You know, obviously, I'm almost I'm done with all the bits on the KZ400, but I have that CB500 out back, and I'm actually looking at a Suzuki GT550 two-stroke, which will give me the trifecta of the 380, the 550, and the 750, which would be really neat. So that's what it is. I just wanted to show you what I've been doing, and it's such a beautiful day out. I'm going to call it a day, and I'm going to go grab one of the bikes and go for a ride. So thank you very much, everybody. I'm going to turn the phone because I'm using the back line.